Hey, good morning, all you awesome YouTubers and content creators. Hope your morning is starting out well and that you had a good day yesterday. Just one more day in TGIF, baby. But this is going to be kind of a short one this morning. I really just have a question. I'm kind of curious. Do you guys prefer these little short morning vlog style videos, or do you like the more talking head, a little longer form content? You know, I started doing this little morning vlog session just because I figured, you know, I got 5 or 10 minutes on the way to work anyways, and the old GoPro mounted to the dash works out pretty good. And so I thought I would just kind of use this time as a little more productive time and, you know, doing some videos and just chatting about what's going on. So I'm kind of curious to know. I put a poll out on my YouTube channel in the community section. So, you know, you can hit me up in the comments, or, you know, go to my YouTube channel and go to the community post and you can cast your vote. But I'm curious to know which form that you like better, so I can make sure that I'm, you know, creating the kind of content that you really want to see, that you find helpful. And any other comments you have, you know, let me know. If you have any suggestions or things you like, don't like, I really want to make sure that I'm creating, you know, valuable information that, you know, you find helpful. I do appreciate, you know, constructive criticism and critique, because that's how you get better, is by knowing what you're doing that can be improved. I'm obviously doing this because I want people to watch it. I want to offer valuable information and provide insight and encouragement and motivation and all those awesome things. And I'm really speaking to, you know, those people who are, you know, 40s, 50s, 60s, wanting to get into YouTube, wanted to create some additional sources of revenue using YouTube, affiliate marketing, things like that. So let me know. I just want to know what you think, and I'd really like to get your thoughts. So again, hit me up in the comments, go cast your vote on my poll, and let me know what you think, because I'm real curious to know. I do appreciate all the interaction and engagement on the channel, so that's been awesome. So let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.